Camera running?
Yes.
Alright, I'm here to unbox, and this is my first unboxing video. The T-Mobile high-speed internet gateway for T-Mobile home internet. I've been waiting for this for a while. Finally came, and so let's see what's inside the box. Come on, you can get closer if you want. So we gotta see what's inside the box.
I want to see what's in there.
So we got this thing. It's got a little, can you see this? It's like a little tab. I was hoping it would be like something I can easily pull it out, but I can still get it. It's stuff in here. I'm sure it's important. And then we have this. Oh, this comes off real nicely. It's like this weird cushion cardboard thing.
Give me, Dada.
Yes. You want to get in here?
Yes.
Got my assistant. All right, and this is, look at this thing. Looks like an Alexa, but bigger. Or an Echo, whatever you want to call it. And it's nicely taped on the top. It's very like trash can-esque. Like a little, wow, look at this thing. Wow. It's actually pretty slick. What do you think, Nora?
Good.
Yeah.
And it has a name.
Some very coolant up top. Like there's some coolant vents. And it intakes down bottom, and it's elevated so that the air just goes like this and goes up. So pretty nice design. It's got a little protector here, which I won't take off, which I'm sure this lights up. And then it's got some ports in the back. It's got 2 LAN ports, and like it's got a telephone port, but it's like covered by this little plugs. It's like, don't use that. I don't know why we would use the telephone port. It's got a USB-C, which is awesome. It's got UPS, which is uninterrupted power supply. So if we wanted to keep this and maintain it, and it's got an on and off switch and a power button. Are you aiming the camera, or are you just kind of holding it? Yeah, my cameraman is new to the job. What else do we have in the box?
I'm not new to the job.
We got this thing. That's another thing like the top. Ooh, and a whole bunch of
Wow,
goodies.
those are very good.
You gotta aim the camera. Okay, your job is to aim the camera. Got an Ethernet cable. All right, what are you doing here? Got it. And then this very intricate way to store a power adapter. Lots of cardboard, all recyclable, which is cool. Looks like a Mac power adapter, but without the fancy close in and out. But very Mac-esque. Doesn't have the rounded corners. And then plenty of line and 12 volts, 4 amps. So that's what's in the box, and in the next, I can't wait to plug this thing in and get some 5G anywhere. Like literally, I could go to a cafe, plug this thing in, and have my own like internet. Not that I would need to do that, but really excited to get this going. And that's it. Turn it off, please.